guys! Welcome to our channel. And today, nandito naman po tayo sa grocery store at naiwan na naman kami ni Sassy sa loob ng car. And Sassy is, what are you eating, baby?
Cheeseburger.
It's a cheeseburger from what?
Jollibee.
So it's her new favorite Jollibee cheeseburger. So look at you. Wow. Isn't it clean? It's so clean. So what is the taste? Are you enjoying your new cheeseburger? It's her new favorite. So dito naman kami at magantay para kay Daddy. So gabi na po. Ayan po, makikita natin. Wow, Sassy, ang ganda ng view, baby. Oh, look at that. It's so blue. Look at that. Oh, dito sa other side. Tingnan natin. Sassy, ayun na, Sassy. Look at the other side over there. It's a blue sky. It's ano na po, mag-alas 6 na. Bye! Ang lamig. Bye, Sassy. Sassy, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi, sis. Bye-bye. Eating burger.